Hey guys, thinking you can cash out from Dollartub to your bank account? In this video I'll walk you through exactly how to withdraw, if it actually works, and what to do if it doesn't. So, firstly check the withdrawal options. Dollartub advertises payouts via PayPal, Cash App, or direct bank transfer. Then you need to earn enough credits to meet the minimum withdrawal limit, typically around $50 to $100. After that, in your Dollartub dashboard, choose your preferred payouts method, PayPal, bank, etc., and link the account details as prompted. After that, you need to submit, request, and complete KYC. You need to confirm your withdrawal and fill in any verification. Some users report fraud verification or extra tasks triggered after requesting payouts. You may be asked to invite others, complete surveys, or submit ID before processing continues. If it goes through, you should see the funds in your bank or PayPal account. If not, withdrawal stalls or never appears, common with this platform. Truth is, many users report no payouts, requiring extra tasks or endless referrals before the request fails. Reviews label it as a potential scam. So, quote, "You cannot, never withdraw any money/fund. Pure total scam sites. If you don't get paid within 7 days, it's likely the system is blocking your payouts." So, while Dollartub claims to pay, user reports tell a different story. Be cautious before investing hours and always check reviews. Like and subscribe for honest app breakdowns. Drop a comment if you've had any success withdrawing.